Okay, this is going to be the third flight of the VS300. Again, motor is now wound. I have 325 winds in it this time. I increased the main rotor pitch slightly, and I also increased the tail rotor pitch to see if I can help compensate for torque a little better. So we're going to go ahead and give this another try. This is flight number 3. Right here. Now follow the helicopter as she moves around. Okay, you got it there, hon?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, this is flight number 3. And away she goes. Okay, so the resulting flight shows that she flew around in a very, very tight circle. She may need to have a slightly larger tail rotor and tighten the belt a little bit, but otherwise that, I would call the VS300 project a success in rubber-powered helicopter flight. As I do more test flights, I will video record them, but I have proven the fact that the VS300 and any other rubber-powered scale helicopter is capable of flight. Thank you for watching.